my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my gosh, we just made. Just look at my Phantom wallet. It's unreal. I've made well over $632,000 in the past month launching meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step. Guys, listen up. You guys need to stop trading these meme coins. Please, bro, I'm begging you guys. These coins are only gambles. It's not 100% sure if you'll make it or not, bro. I'm telling you guys, all of these coins will make you lose your money. This is why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can create your own meme coins and become the one that reaps the reward. So what we do is we create meme coins right here, and then we wait for buyers, pump up, and then just dump everything on them. So if you guys are interested in making hella money, stick around. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can do the same for yourself. I used to be like you guys, bro. I used to trade these meme coins every single day. I used to get off work, go home, put all of my money into Solana, and then just trade everything. But the thing that I realized not thousands, but probably hundreds of times I have lost is that the reason I wasn't making any money is because these creators kept dumping on me, bro. This is why creating coins will be the best thing for you guys, bro. Once you get that one good coin that will possibly print thousands for you, bro, life is gonna be completely different. I'm telling you guys, life will be different. You will be able to buy things you could never buy before. Everything will change. So stick around and we're gonna show you exactly how to do it. So if we go over to coinlabs.fun, this is the website that you guys will be using to creating your meme coins. And the thing with this website is that it is fully repeatable. All of these methods are repeatable. You can keep doing them until you are satisfied with your money. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, if you guys want to be generating hella bread, hella money fucking fast, this is why CoinLabs is the best choice for you guys. First of all, like I said before, it's the best website on YouTube, only legit one out there. Secondly, it requires no coding to launch your coin. So if you don't know the first thing about coding, you are good. Secondly, your coin gets created into the Raydium liquidity pool. Now, what Raydium is the biggest liquidity pool for every big coin out there, like Doge, Peanut, Hasbullah's Cat, all those big coins, okay? And the reason why CoinLabs is so much better than Pump.Fun is because, first of all, when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, it gets dumped into this ocean of bullshit ass coins that don't even get to see the light of day, bro. They don't have any exposure. When you create your coin on coinlabs.fun, the Raydium pool will let you guys be in this category where everyone can see your coin. Legit everybody. And also on Pump.Fun, you guys need to hit a bonding curve of 90,000, which is when your coin hits 90,000, it gets liquidity pool, gets put straight to Raydium. But that shit takes too much time. Now, the easiest way to make a shit ton of money by going to the copy trending coins tab. Now, what this tab entails is a whole ass section on the website trying to find meme coins that are proven to making you a shit ton of money. It goes through all the bullshit coins, finds the one that are actually proven to make you money. And my golden rule, my golden strategy is to find a meme coin with a market cap of around 30,000 and above. So for example, this one would be perfect. And my second golden rule is that it has to have a last bought in under 15 seconds. So for example, all of these coins, so from Drisby until America's 250, these coins are all juicy ass coins to make a shit ton of money. And it only takes one coin to change everything, and one click create your coin. That's all you guys need to do, as simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. All right, so we're going to create a coin right now. We're gonna refresh the list. So okay, this coin is over 30,000 market cap, last bought about 15 seconds ago, has a valid narrative. So we're gonna create the coin. I'm just gonna write my password. Now don't mind this, just proceed anyways. Confirm, I understand. Confirm, alright. Now the website is currently creating my token. So all you have to do is wait, and then boom, that is your coin token address that has been created. Now if we go over to create liquidity pool, you guys are gonna want to create for the token A, put it to 90%, and then the token B, which is basically the liquidity in the coin, anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 Solana is a good liquidity. So what we're gonna do for the sake of the video, we're gonna put 0.3 Solana. Now all we have to do is create pool and the coin should be live. So we're going to be creating the pool. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, so proceed, and then boom, the pool has successfully been created. Now give it a second, and then boom, our token is successfully created. Now we have a liquidity pool for said token. Now all you guys have to do to see your coin is click on view, and here is the coin. Now this is a couple minutes after the launch, and bro, this coin is already at 16k, dropping a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remove the liquidity. Now how are we gonna remove liquidity? Well, if you're to remove the liquidity, which I don't think I will, we're gonna press minus, then 100%, and then click remove liquidity. And then if you were to proceed, you click confirm, and then your liquidity should have removed. So we just made what, like 13k in a matter of 5-10 minutes. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.